Hey guys, today I wanted to do a review slash comparison between the authentic Cartier Love Bracelet and the Amazon designer dupe. I actually shot this video once before, but my arm was so hairy I could not even look at the footage. So I nared my arm for you guys and here we are. I've been obsessed with these Amazon designer dupe videos lately. I love to see how close, I know that they're controversial and whatnot, but I love to see how close the fake is compared to the real. So the dupe, it came in, can I just say that it was $40, and to me that, like, granted, you obviously are saving a lot of money versus the authentic Cartier Love Bracelet, but for a dupe, come on dude, $40? Like, I think personally that it should be less. Like, okay, upon taking it out of the box, the first thing I noticed was that it's a lot more yellow than the authentic. The authentic, this is the yellow gold one as well, it's not the rose gold, but it just, in comparison, it's a lot more yellow than the real. Here is the Amazon designer dupe. I got the one with the most reviews, which is probably why it's $40. It was getting cocky, you know what I mean? Okay, here they are side by side. I turned down my ring light so you could really see the differences here. This is the dupe and this is the authentic. The colors are a little bit off, and you can just see on the authentic that the craftsmanship is a lot more refined than the one on the dupe. Another little tidbit is that with the authentic, it's impossible to put it on by yourself because everything is just so much more dainty. You need someone to help you with the screws because they're just so precisely made, whereas the dupe, I could put it on by myself just because everything's a little bit more chunky. This is the screw that connects the bracelet on the dupe. You can just see it has a little bit more of a circle, just a chunkier imprint than the one on the authentic. So those are them both side by side. Also at the screws, you can just see that the craftsmanship on the authentic is a lot finer than the one on the dupe. The impression of the screw, it doesn't really go all the way through on the dupe, whereas the one on the authentic is kind of a crisper impression. Now granted, we are up close and personal. On the inside, the font of the Cartier, it's a lot bigger than the authentic. Granted, that's gonna be screwed to your arm, so no one's really going to see it, but the font just does not look like that. There's also, the serial number isn't written the same way as it is in the authentic. And there's also this random 001 star. It looks like a freaking Mario Kart bonus point or something. So is it worth that big of a difference? I haven't been wearing the dupe. I don't know if it'll turn color. I don't know if it'll last forever. I don't know if it'll fall apart, but I know that the authentic one will last forever and it will retain its value. I think when I first heard of the Cartier Love Bracelet ever, I think it was like, I don't know, it was a lot less money. I think it was like $4,000 and it's climbed up in price. Even when I was looking at Poshmark to potentially buy it secondhand, those things were going for like $5,000 without papers, without a box, without any form of authenticity. Do you guys have any other designer dupes that you love? I would love to check them out. Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was useful to you guys and I will see you guys next time.